Let me try to get underneath the car and show what it looks like with the cover off. This is the back of the fuel filter, so this would be the rear side, not the motor side, the trunk side of it. You can see the two connections. You can see the 4 hose clamps. The 2 hose clamps closest to the filter are the 2 that we're going to take off. And like I said, these are single use. You can also see it sitting in this little metal bracket that we can take off as well. So we'll take off that, and you can see the bolt for the little metal bracket that's securing to keep it in place. And then you've got the 2 connections at the other end. You've got the lighter little hose that is not a vacuum or doesn't have a hose clamp on it, and that can just be pulled off and slid back on the new filter. And then you've got the primary fuel line right there that has also got the hose clamps as well. I'm gonna put, you can see the little sections in between where the hose clamps are. That's where I'm gonna put my little ratcheting clip to help cut down on flow, to help reduce any dripped fuel. I'm also going to put down some cardboard underneath because you're going to drip a little bit while you do this. And I also do a single hose at a time. So I'll pull off one. I usually start at the front, and I'll undo this clamp around the fuel filter. Then I'll pull the hose without the hose clamp, and I'll put it on the new one. And then I'll pull the clamp that's closest to the filter here on the front. This is the motor side, and then I'll feed it onto the new filter as quickly as I can.